I often get asked what tools I use besides Google, and Metricool is at the top of my list. Are you managing multiple social media platforms? You know how overwhelming it can feel to keep everything organized and consistent. Metricool is a powerhouse tool that connects all the major platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and even Google Business Profile, and more. It's not just a scheduler, it's a time saver, an organizer, and a stress reducer all in one. I get it. Social media can feel like one more thing on your never ending to do list. That's why I love Metricool. It's simple, visual, and extremely intuitive. Whether you're a social media pro or just starting out, it makes the process so much easier. Here's what I love about Metricool and what makes it so amazing. You can write one post and push it to all of your platforms at once. Imagine posting to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Google Business Profile all in just a few clicks. Or if you prefer, you can start with a template and then customize your posts for each platform. Metricool has you covered either way. To customize the posts, you can adjust the text, images, or even the day and time for each platform. It's perfect for customizing your content to fit the specific image requirements and unique style of each platform's audience. Social media isn't a one-size-fits-all. What works on Instagram might not work on LinkedIn, and that's okay. Metricool gives you the flexibility to make each post perfect for the platform it's going on, if you so choose. Do you want to upload images, save your favorite hashtags, or draft posts ahead of time? Metricool makes it simple. And if you're using the paid version, you can even connect your Google Drive and Canva accounts to pull in your visuals seamlessly. As a visual learner, I absolutely love how Metricool shows me the times that are best to post for my audience on each of my platforms. I can see when my posts are scheduled, and I can drag and drop them as needed to change the day or time. It's like having a bird's eye view of your entire content plan and getting to adjust it easily. Imagine the relief of knowing your content is going out consistently, reaching your audience, and helping you grow. Metricool also gives you the tools to measure your success. From tracking engagement rates to understanding audience demographics, you'll have all the data you need to refine your strategy and grow your presence online. Whether you're managing one social account or 10, Metricool is here to make your life easier. It's not just about saving time, it's about reducing the stress of social media management so you can focus on what really matters, your business. Social media doesn't have to be overwhelming. With Metricool, you've got the tools to stay organized, consistent, and stress-free. Visit the link below and streamline your social media workflow today. Try it. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on tools that simplify your life. I look forward to helping you succeed.